Take a look at this water heater, corroded, leaking, and on its last legs. Waiting until your water heater reaches this point can lead to costly repairs and unexpected stress. Don't wait until it's too late. If your water heater is showing signs of age, rust, or reduced performance, give us a call sooner than later. At Texans Water Heaters, we'll help you avoid the mess and get the job done right the first time. We're here to provide reliable, expert service, peace of mind for your home. Contact Texans Water Heaters today to schedule your water heater inspection or replacement. Texans Water Heaters, keeping your home warm and worry-free.